voilà, nous sommes venus pour présenter deux films. Un qui a été réalisé par Louis Garrel et un autre qui a été réalisé par Rebecca Zlotowski, dans lequel je joue. Voilà.
En fait, il y a un festival qui est organisé par Unifrance, qui s'appelle My French Film Festival, qui a sélectionné 10 longs métrages et 10 courts métrages ou moyens métrages. Et du coup, le film de Rebecca et le mien ont été sélectionnés parmi les longs métrages, puisque celui de Rebecca est un long métrage et moi mon court métrage. Et Léa joue dans les deux films.
Moi, c'est la première fois que je viens présenter même mon film à Londres. Je suis très contente et puis contente de le présenter dans l'Institut français. J'ai vu le film de Louis il y a longtemps même. J'ai vu le film de Louis il y a longtemps, même qu'on en parlait quand tu le faisais. Et voilà, et ça m'étonne pas en fait que Léa Seydoux soit dans les deux films. J'aime bien quand il y a des acteurs qui créent des familles, des échos.
I have nothing to say except thank you very much to come to see the long short film, because that's what you call like a short film in England or in USA. You are close with the American. I tried a joke, but it doesn't. Horrible. I want to kill myself.
I just want to tell you, you're speaking in English. But...
Thank you very much to Unifrance to selected my long short film.
Thank you. Thank you to all of you.
Yeah, it was an argument, I think, because you know I love Paris in general, but the main problem in Paris is the light during the night. I mean, the light is yellow, but bad yellow. So I wanted to shoot in black and white, and to have the motivation to shoot in black and white, I needed to a story like out of time. This is what you call a fable. In the fable, there is like 2 points. There is the good, like the two men are good, and the evil. The woman is the evil in the thing. I think. This is my opinion.
You agree with that, Blair?
Kind of, yeah, kind of, because it's a man's point of view. So, you know, it's really difficult for me to speak about the character because she's not really defined, you know, because she's really, as Louis said, she's an icon. She's a point of view. So she has like a crush for this guy, and she's it's a crystallization.
The cinema is for me something to give you the desire of live again, and I think that the films who gave me that desire, that feeling, was the film of François Truffaut. So I think that the défaut, because I think it's a défaut, small défaut of the film, is that film is the son, the good student of the Antoine et Colette, it's a small film of François Truffaut, and the Soft Skin, it's a film of François Truffaut. Both of them, I think the film is the combination, a mix between two films of François Truffaut that I adore when I was 15.
I saw Visconti's L'Étranger, maybe 2 months after finishing the film. Originally, the writing of the film is absolutely the same pattern. Is what's happening when you don't have an emotion at a certain moment, and we can discuss a lot about this because it's totally normal. I think we all are the same. We don't have emotions during the very moment, and that's why we dream about those traumatic moments. It's not because they traumatized us, it's because we've not been traumatized enough at the moment, so we have to live them in our dreams. I was very impressed by this theory because I feel I'm close to it. I hate the world we're living in sometimes because of the dictature of the spontaneity, that we have to live very instinctively the emotions, and I think that it's wrong. It's not the way I feel.
We didn't improvise a lot. No, I don't think so. When you're an actress, what's really important is, of course, the person who's filming. So Rebecca is a woman, so it makes things completely different. But it was, I mean, it's true that it's really, there's something really emotional about this movie.
Thanks to you. Thanks to you. Thank you.